You guys, I'm super excited. Do you guess why? If you have been following my YouTube channel for a while, you guys would be able to guess that we have just crossed 100 subscribers. And this is kind of a big deal because YouTube is a highly saturated platform. It is number 2 search engine where you get maximum traffic. So you can understand that how saturated this platform is. And it's really difficult for a channel as new as mine. I mean, we're not even 2 months old. So our little YouTube channel just grew into 120 subscribers, and as I shoot this and after I edit this, I'll post it, and I'm sure that we'll cross 150 by then. So I'm super excited. When I started my YouTube channel, I was actually going through a lot of YouTubers that I like. I follow Kathleen from the Content Bug and others as well, and I'm going through their journey. And these guys were telling that how difficult it is to scale on a saturated platform like YouTube. And in fact, the Content Bug herself mentioned that she took almost an year to reach 300 subscribers. So I was a little disheartened because the platform growth is gonna be really slow. But my objective on YouTube was not just reach, but also. So now when you go and search on Google and click on videos, you will find my videos and my YouTube channel. And when you land on my YouTube channel, you will see that, yay, I have gained 119 subscribers, and that's amazing. I'll show you guys analytics. This is my analytics dashboard, and you will see we are on video dashboard. I have posted close to 11 videos, and just by posting 11 videos, we are at 119 subscribers. And not just that, we have crossed 70 hours of watch time. So, yay! So, over 2600 videos, average duration is 1.35. And in fact, average duration started from 1 minute. Then it's increasing. So, that's a healthy sign. In fact, I have a very healthy click-through rate, 7.9%, and that's the order of views and how these videos have performed. So my top video is Digital Marketing Salary in India in 2020. So if you guys have not checked it out yet, you should. So that's pretty much about traffic. And since I'm making videos for people who are starting their career, I think the age group is between 25 to 34, which is bang on. And I'll show you guys. Okay, so a large part of videos are being watched at this moment by non-subscribers. Of course, I think that's the case most of the time. So I believe YouTube is recommending me on their home screen. So I'll just quickly show you guys. Yeah, so YouTube, these are the people who are coming from YouTube watch page. So that's a cool thing. And then people are also coming from YouTube search, YouTube channels. That's great. So I think my channel has started to rank on YouTube. That's a good news. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, that how the YouTube dashboard looks like and how I have gained my numbers. We'll have future videos doing deep dive on YouTube analytics. So yep. So this YouTube channel has 3 objectives, and one of the objectives is to educate people about digital marketing and how they can start their career in digital marketing, what it takes to start a career in digital marketing. What if you belong to a specific industry and you want to switch, or you want to kick off your digital marketing career even when you're not from marketing background? So I want to answer all such questions for you guys, so you guys don't have to go and wander around asking about how you can do that. My second objective is to educate people about digital marketing on things that nobody talks about. So I want to bring in experiments and insights that are actionable in your daily life. Because you will find a lot of content that people talk about which is pretty generic and everybody talks about, but nobody talks about the real deal. So my aim is to bring in that sort of learning as we grow in this channel, as we progress through the career journey. And then once you are set in your career, you're starting your digital marketing job. So I want this channel to grow with you, to educate you on that sort of content. And third, my aim is to reach more people, educate more people to join. I have seen so many big companies not understanding how digital works. So I hope that together we will make a big digital marketing club where we talk, live, breathe digital marketing. So that's my objective. And when I got to know that YouTube is going to be a really slow way of doing that, it did break my heart a little. But I think we cracked something right that I'm going to share in the future videos. And here we are with 100 subscribers. So thank you for that. And I also wanted to talk about what plans do I have for this YouTube channel. So we started with really formal format of YouTube videos, and as I think about the direction for this YouTube channel, I realized that I would like to make my videos more fun and interactive, and hence I would like to transition to a vlog format. But at the same time, I am not sure how I will navigate through the vlog format, because I am really crunched on timing. Because as many of you guys already know that I have a full-time job and I spend almost like 11 to 12 hours outside my home. It's really difficult for me to shoot videos after I come back because there is no sun, and I'm at the moment not using any equipment or high-tech devices to shoot my videos. I shoot, edit and do everything on my mobile device, and even right now I'm shooting from my front camera using a monopod attached to a small table. So that's the kind of work I'm doing. Point being, if you guys are thinking of starting your own YouTube channel, you should not wait for the right gadgets and right tool and right time, right content. You should just start, and as you move ahead, you will figure out everything. And even if you don't figure out everything, it doesn't really matter. Find your niche, start your YouTube channel or blog or whatever you want to do, and you will just do better as you constantly start create content. So that's it. I'm drifting from the main topic about the YouTube direction. So yeah, so I intend to create vlog format videos. I'm super thrilled about it. I would like to include a little bit of my life, how my day looks like in these videos. I'm not sure how I'm going to pull it off, but that's my intention. So just comment down below and let me know what do you want to see from my life, my work in these upcoming videos. I'm super thrilled about it, and shoot me with more ideas. And thank you for following me once again. And sorry, I missed this. This is what happens when you shoot in one shot. I would also like to make more videos on telling you guys how you can start your YouTube channel. I will be sharing how I scaled up pretty quickly and reached 100 subscribers. And I'll also share my popular videos, their analytics, and how this whole thing I think worked out for me. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see in your future. So stay tuned, subscribe right now and click that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my notifications. Bye bye.